Hey guys, just wanted to share what I bring to work in the morning on Monday to start off the week. My lunch, my brunch that I'm committed to, a healthy lifestyle with some healthy snacks. I always make a massive salad. You can see that the vegetables aren't cut up because I don't like them to get mushy. I bring an extra bowl, so I add some veggies each day. And then, of course, the protein. So I have hard-boiled eggs. I have some sliced chicken meats. I have a bean medley, so I'll add a little bit of each. In this Dijon mustard container, I have made my own homemade dressing with some fresh lemon, garlic, olive oil, salt and pepper, some oregano, super easy, a little sweetener. And I have some fruit, some more tomatoes that I like to cut up, some sugar-free Jell-O, and some turkey bites. Oh, and then there's an apple and some nectarine. And in the fridge at work, I also keep extra fruit. So I always have it for snacks. And of course, my coffee, which I love each day. So this is just another example. Risa Weiner YouTube for lots more tips, recipes, strategies. And of course, if you need my help, you can private message me. My goal is to help others on their weight loss journey after I've lost 130 pounds and keeping it off for many, many years. I hope this was helpful. This is just one of many of the recipes, well, not recipe, but strategies that I use. And it's very helpful to grocery shop, meal plan, meal prep, and that will keep you on track and focused. And of course, we eat with our eyes. So you can add lots of different veggies. I have cucumbers, broccoli, red pepper, carrot. There's underneath here, there's a mixture with spinach and romaine and mixed greens. I love all kinds of vegetables. And you can add whatever ones you like. I always change it up as well so we don't get bored. Because if we get bored, then we might veer. We don't want to veer, right? All right, so take care. Tell me what you think. Love you guys. Bye for now.